Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm recreating Aaliyah's iconic Queen of the Damned Akasha makeup look.
Aaliyah, is that what you're going to do?
Okay guys, so I'm all ready. Let's get started. First thing that we're gonna do is take care of the skin. Now, in all of the photos that I was able to reference of Aaliyah, she had this beautiful like glow to her skin. So I'm actually gonna mix a little bit of pigment in my foundation to give myself a golden glow, and I think it's gonna really kind of do it. So let's jump into the makeup. I will say that this makeup look is actually pretty easy to do. I feel like all it really takes is a little creativity, and you could probably replicate this costume pretty easily, especially with the makeup. So I'm going in with my Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This is in the shade 7.5, and I actually mixed in a bit of loose pigment from MAC in the color Tan into my foundation, and it gave my skin this gorgeous luminous glow, which is perfect for the look. If you were dressing up completely, you could definitely do this all over your body as well, but I'm pretty much just doing from shoulders up because my pregnant belly is not getting in the mix of this costume, okay? So now we're doing some concealer. This is the Dior Forever Perfecting Concealer, and I'm just applying this to kind of highlight and brighten the face. So I'm applying it in the center of my face and blending it out with my brush. Blend, blend, blend. Use a little bit on top of your eyelids as a base if you want like a simple eyeshadow primer. And then I'm using the Anastasia contour stick in Espresso, and I just warm it up on the back of my hand and then pick up that product with my brush and melt it into the contour areas of my face. A little bit down the sides of the nose just to give myself that perfect bronzy glow. For brows, I decided to go in with my Anastasia brow pencil. This is also in the color Espresso, and I did a little bit more of an intense brow than I usually would. From all the photos I could see, her brows looked pretty dark, so I made sure that I filled them in a little more than usual, but I didn't want to do like a black or anything because I think that would have been a little crazy. So we're just popping this in, and then I'm going to blend it out with the brush side of this pencil. And this product is from Kylie Cosmetics. It's called the KyBrow. I actually hate this product, but it looks really good. It's just so dry that after I blend it out, it oftentimes gives me kind of like a dry look around my eyebrows, which I hate. That being said, it's super convenient and easy to use, so I don't know if you guys have any recommendations for a brow highlight that's better than this. Let me know, because I'm kind of just trying to use it up, but I really don't like it. So we're going to jump into eyes next, now that my skin and brows are done. And for this eye look, she has this really gorgeous black smoky eye in sort of an intense cat eye shape. So I'm replicating that. The easiest way to do a smoky eye is to take a black kohl eye pencil and just blend that all over your eyelid and then underneath in that waterline area. And once you've done that, you can then take a black eyeshadow and press it on your lid. And this helps the black just look so much more pigmented. It helps it to stay on, and it really cuts the steps in half. And then of course we want to blend this out. So I'm just using a more of a deeper brown shade to diffuse the edges of this. And I do kind of go back and forth with these steps just to make sure that it's defined and blended how I want it. To give ourselves that gorgeous cat eye, I'm using a little bit of primer and just kind of a straight brush and cleaning up those edges. And then we're going to do a gorgeous winged liner. This is the Brush Black eyeliner pen from MAC, one of my favorite eyeliner pens. And I'm just doing a really dramatic cat eye for this look. I wanted to just diffuse the liner a touch, so I just kind of added a bit of shadow on top of it, and boom. Now to blend a bit of that black eyeshadow underneath the bottom waterline, and then to finish the look we're doing that intense cat eye on the inner corner as well. Now to finish the brows, she had a really fun kind of design going from the tail of her brow, so I just added some of my eyeliner into the end of my brow and then dragged it out. That way I didn't have to do a fully black eyebrow. I actually should have baked my face before I started doing my eye makeup, but surprisingly none of the eyeshadow fell. So here I am just baking, adding a little bit more bronzer and then some blush. What I love about this Queen of the Damned makeup look is that she actually has color in her face. She doesn't look like the typical like washed out vampire. So I'm finishing this look off with some lips. There was a few different photos of what her lip color was like, so I decided to go with this like pinky red. I think it's really cute. Okay guys, so I am finished the makeup look. I think there's a couple ways you could go with this. Lips are kind of open for interpretation. You know, I've seen pictures with her with more of a reddish pink. I saw some where she has more of a nude and just a gloss, but I felt like going bold. So I'm gonna do my finishing touches. We need a bright green contact to complete this look. So I'm gonna pop in the Hydrocore Mel and I will be right back. Okay, now I'm feeling like vampirous. I think any green contact would do, but these are nice bright greens, so I decided to go with Hydrocore Mel from Celodica. Now I did actually make this crown myself, so let's pop it on. And there you have it guys, this is my Queen of the Damned, Queen Akasha look. This came together so easily. I feel like if you are looking for last minute Halloween costume, you could definitely do something like this. It's super fun. Really, it's just all about the makeup, and I made this crown to go along with the costume to really give it that look, and added a choker. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you have your Halloween costume already picked out, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you're going to try this one too. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Bye guys!